problem is to write a Python program to add two matrices. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to add two matrices. So guys, matrix is a topic that we all might have covered in our 12th grades, and today we will be talking about matrices and how to add two matrices. First of all, if you don't know what is matrices, let's understand what are matrices. So guys, matrix is a formation of a numbers where numbers are arranged in the format of rows and columns. Suppose if I would have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and here I have written another matrix 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now this is a matrix where I have written the numbers in the format of rows and columns. So there are 3 rows and 3 columns. It can also be written in 2 rows and 2 columns like 2, 3, 4, 7, or maybe like this 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this way also a matrix can be written. Now we are talking about addition of two matrices. Not for the addition of two matrices, it is very important that the dimension of both the matrices should be equal. That means there should be, so here we have equal number of rows and columns. Now how the addition happens over here, that first element of this matrix will be added to the first element of this matrix, which will result in 10. Second element of this matrix and second element of this matrix will again result in 10. Third element of this matrix and third element of this matrix will again result in 10. Fourth element, or we can say it as first element of second row over here and first element of second row over here, again 10. Second element of second row, that is 10 again. Third element of second row, that is 10 again. And 7 plus 3 again 10. 8 plus 2 again 10. And lastly 9 plus 1 again 10. This is how we obtain a addition of two matrices. Now what we need to do, we need to write a program in our Python that will allow us to find the addition of two matrices. For that, what we will be doing, we'll be taking the help of our for loop. So let's write a program and let's see how it can be done. So first of all, as I need two matrices over here, I'll be creating a matrix called as A, and inside I'll be passing the list elements. So I'll be passing 3 list elements. So first one will have 1, 2, 3, comma, and 7, 8, 9 with the commas in between, again a comma, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is my matrix number 1. Let's talk about matrix number 2, that is our B. So B is equals to 7, 8, 9, comma, 12, 34, 6, comma, 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. Okay, so these are our two matrices and we need one matrix for the result as well. So in the result, I'll be storing the values in such a way that I'll be writing 0, comma, 0, comma, 0 in the first one, comma, 0, comma, 0, comma, 0 in the second one, again a comma, and a 0, comma, 0, comma, 0 in the third one. Okay. Now what do I need to do for the addition? I need to use a for loop over here. That for I will be writing for I in range. What would be the range over here? It will be the length of the row. So the length of the row is len of A colon. And for J, that means for the columns, what we will be taking for J in range. Because we have to add rows with the rows and columns with the columns over here. So for J in range, what we will be doing, we will be writing length of A, and in the square bracket I'll be passing 0. Now what does this 0 over here means? This 0 over here means that I'm using a column over here. So if for this one is for the range and 0 over here is showing us the columns. So if I print I over here, it will show you the pattern of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 2 in this way. So if you go over the length over here, so this will be on 0, 0, 0 index, this will be on 1, 1, 1 index, and this will be on 2, 2, 2 index. And if I talk about the column over here, then this will be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. So if I print J over here and run it, it will give me 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1, 2. But I don't have to print these things. What I need to do is I need to find a result. The result would be, I need to go inside the rows and columns of result. For rows, I'll be having I, and for the columns, I'll be having J is equals to A. Again, I'll be talking about I, and here I'll be talking about J. Addition with, so I need to add over here that I'll be going inside the rows of A and the columns of A, and at the same time, I'll be going inside the rows of I and rows of B and rows of and columns of B. Lastly, we need to print the result. So if I print result, let's see what output we'll get. I'll just give some spaces in between and let's run and see. So I'm getting the output in this way. Let's see if it is correct or not. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 34 plus 8 is 42. 6 plus 9 is 15. And 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 3 plus 6 is 9 over here. That means the result is correct. But again, it is not coming in the form of a matrix. Right. So to get it in the form of a matrix, all we need to do is again write a for loop that for I in result colon print I. So now if I run it, I'll get the output in this way, that I will get the result in the format of 8, 10, 12, 19, 42, 15 and 5, 7 and 9. So this is how we can obtain the result over here in the form of a matrix. So I hope guys that how addition of two matrices has happened over here is clear to you. All we need to do is first of all create two matrices and create a result matrix in which all the elements are 0. After that, we need to use a for loop to iterate in the rows and the columns. For the rows, we will take the length of A, and for the columns, again, we will take the length of A. But for defining the columns over here, we need to put 0 in the square bracket. So 0 over here shows that we are going in the length of the columns. After that, inside the result, we are considering the case of rows and columns again. So in the result, first we'll go in the rows and then in the columns. That a row and then the column, and then we'll be adding A with its rows and columns and B with its rows and columns inside the result. Lastly, we'll print the result, and with the help of for loop, we will iterate and print the value in different lines over here. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions in this program, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.